Hello viewers, welcome to Option Trading with Nia. In this latest episode, let me bring to you the Nifty and Banknifty trading for tomorrow. As you observe the market today, Nifty had a major fall. Actually, Nifty had opened up in the morning, then market stayed in a particular range during the day, and there was a sudden collapse somewhere mid-afternoon. So now for tomorrow, that is 31st January 2024, the last trading day in the month of January, as well as the last trading day before the budget session. How you should trade tomorrow as you prepare for the budget day. Now first let me come to the Bank Nifty chart. I have put 30 minutes chart, 30 minutes on Bank Nifty, and you can observe that if you see the screen, Bank Nifty has been trading in a range between 44,000 now. So if I mark on the screen, so 44,000, I'll mark it nicely. So 44,518 on the downside, and you can see on the upside it is 46,800. So it has been trading for a few days in that range. Now how you should position your trade tomorrow. Now Bank Nifty is facing stiff resistance around 45,600. So you can see 45,600 level. So this is 45,600 level. And now currently Bank Nifty is 45,319. So if you see tomorrow market opening higher, if it is not opening above 45,600, it is sell. So you can wait for a target, a big target almost. So that is almost 800 points you can get, 800 points on the downside, because if you observe, the next support is around 44,500. So what you should do tomorrow is, as the Bank Nifty opens, just wait. If it opens up below 45,600, wait till it does not take out 45,600. And if it is trading below 45,200, then it's a sell. So if it's trading below 45,200, it's a sell. You can almost get a big target, that is 45,500. So that is the Bank Nifty trading for tomorrow. Now let me come to the Nifty chart. Nifty chart is very interesting. Today Bank Nifty, there was not much move compared to Nifty. Nifty fell significantly today. I'll come to the Nifty chart. Yeah, so this is the Nifty chart on your screen. You see, previously, must be in the last 15 days, Nifty had a major fall. If you observe the fall, so this is the major fall we had, and then there was a small recovery we had, then again a fall. Yeah, then what happened is, made double bottom. So one bottom is here, one bottom is here, and then there was again a big recovery. I think that is yesterday, and today at around 21,750 levels, 21,800 is the resistance, but around 750 levels again there was a fall. So what should be your position tomorrow before the budget day? So let me now, if I go back, you will see that 21,200 is a strong support. Tomorrow, the very critical level is 21,475 on Nifty on the spot level. If it breaks, so that is somewhere here, we are very close to the level. At this level, if the market breaks this next, there can be a steep fall. It can be as low as 21,200 up to 21,200. It can, it's a major support. It can sustain up to 21,200. But tomorrow is going to be an interesting day. If the market opens flat, that is around 21,500 levels. Wait for it to break or breach 21,475 level, and there you can go short for around 200 to 250 points, and 21,200 is the major support. And there is a very important point there. It was a double bottom, 21,300, 250 level, double bottom. If it breaches that double bottom, then market can fall very heavily from that level. So that is how you should take trading based on price action tomorrow. This I am just saying on the price action. I have considered 30 minutes candles. Yeah. So now next, I will go and explain to you the open interest levels. Let me open the Nifty and Banknifty open interest now. Yeah, so first let me go to Banknifty open interest. Yes, so this is the Banknifty open interest chart. I will make the chart very big. So this is a bar chart, you can see. And here, what you can see is there is very high call rating. So this is the very high call rating at 45,500 levels, which means it will be a very big resistance on the higher side. And if you see lower side, you can see put rating is there at many levels. So put rating is there here, but not significant. Here all levels put rating is there, but the highest put rating is around 45,000 level. So first support will be around 45,200, then we have support around 45,000. Then below you see very low put rating is there. Highest call rating is, you can see at 46,000. It's very far away. But next put rating, what you can see is 45,500. 45,500 and 45. If they breach on the higher side or lower side, we can see big moves. And today what happened in the market? Let me show you that. Before that, you can see here open interest change. Let us see. Yeah, so this is the open interest change. You see, if you are seeing the highest open interest change for the day is here. So you can see many people have closed 45,500 put. 45,500 put is closed, which means the resistance level has come down. So next resistance level is rating is around 45,200. So next support is 45,200, and you can see there is writing that has taken place. So you can see the writing at around 45,400. So 45,400 is going to be the sacrosanct resistance level. So first, as I already said, 45,200 support. If it breaches, then you see there is a big downside. I already said 45,200 will be the downside. Then followed by, you can have a very significant downside on Bank Nifty. Then come to Nifty. So first let us see Nifty open interest. Nifty open interest. Yeah, so it's loaded. So now you can see here. So first let us come to open interest. Yeah, so we have come to Nifty open interest. So you see highest writing call. So highest call writing is here. So next highest call writing is here. So at far away levels. Now significant call rating is there at 21,600, 21,500. So 21,500 is the resistance. Yes, so tomorrow 21,500 is going to be a resistance. Now still Nifty is trading above 21,500, but still 21,500 is not. And you can see put writing. So put writing is there 21,600, 21,500. Yeah. So therefore the major resistances are there at 21,500. Yeah, 21,400. So major resistances are there at 21,600, 21,700, and major supports are there at 21,500 and 21,600. So what I can tell you here is Nifty may open very flat tomorrow morning. There is a chance, and there is very less chance that it can breach 21,700, and there is a chance that it can come downward if it breaches 21,500. 21,500 is the first support that should break, and then 21,400, and then there is a you can see a big fall up to 21,200. It is possible. Yeah, and resistance is 21,600 one directly. So now let me come to what happened today with the open interest change. Yeah, so that is very important for us. Open interest change. Now here, see, the highest writing that has happened is 21,700. 21,700 is going to be a big resistance. Then people have increased their position even in 21,600. Even 21,600 is going to be very difficult to break. You see, put writing, put as always today, open interest decrease has taken place. Open interest decrease. So it's an indication that tomorrow market may see downside. So this is in crisp the Nifty and Bank Nifty strategies for tomorrow. If you are trading in Nifty, so what you can do is you can wait in the morning. If there is a flat opening on Nifty, you wait till Nifty breaks 21,500 or 475 support, and then you can go short for a significant lower targets to 21 to 50 to 30 levels. But on the Bank Nifty also there are significant resistances on the upside, but if it breaches 45,200 level, it can see 44,800, 44,600 on the downside. So these are the targets for Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. Just a disclaimer, this channel is for advertising purpose only. If you are trading based on the calls I give you, always take the advice of a SEBI certified professional before taking any live trades. So thank you for watching this episode. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like and share, and motivate me to give you more such educational videos for the future. So thank you.